Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is TVA Ghettovanadventures. Well, I'm heading to get some parts. Gonna pick up some cylinder heads, and they're 3 and change hours away. I know. Yesterday, let's just say yesterday, left at 4 a.m. and I never got home till I think it was 11:30. I was exhausted, and I was basically driving, except for the odd time getting out and walking around, the whole time. I am absolutely beat today, and I'm eating Tylenol because I am so sore. Even though I'm sitting on a pillow, I am so sore from sitting in this car. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you posted as I go. And I'm with Steve, and we're going over the, was it Skyway? No, what bridge is this? Well, Hamilton's right down there.
Yeah, Skyway Bridge.
So, there you go. It's kind of an overcast day. Traffic actually hasn't been bad. And, what's this? Welland Canal. Woohoo! We're off to Pita Pit. Well, we just went into Thorold Auto Wreckers down St. Catharines Welland Way in Ontario. I have to admit, they were
Pleasant?
yeah, like really, really nice. No hassles, no nothing. And I have to admit also, when I was looking for the parts, they even said there's a place closer to me now. They were more expensive and they wouldn't move the price, match these guys, but they gave me that option, which is incredible. And we're back on to washing these down. So Steve, what do we do for half an hour to an hour?
Checked everywhere 4 times for a set of keys.
Was it the
No,
fourth
sorry,
time?
3 times
yeah.
everywhere for a set of keys. It was the 4th time I found it in my coat pocket.
Yes. And these are the heads. Just give them a little clean up, but I don't see any cracks. Do you?
No, that's
They
just
look good.
pressure washing.
Yep.
With the environmentally friendly.
That's right, the environmentally friendly cleaner.
You know what's nice about these?
Tell me.
They've never been taken apart.
Yeah. And even the valve train is pretty clean. Head number 2. Want to explain what we're doing? Well, do you? Is this Steve's secret?
Aluminum head, you can only take one of those pads to it so much, and you gotta get it. Send it out for machining.
Yep.
Or a little block sanding will do it.
Yep. Now, what Steve and I noticed, and the other engine, it had been apart already, and we figured probably under warranty, likely when it was basically new.
Well, you've owned it since 70,000?
Yeah, so likely it came in, and these had bad head gaskets from the factory, so likely it came in with a bad head gasket, and it was done quick under warranty.
You can see that mark there.
Mm-hmm. can see if any of the valves are leaking down. Looks good. Well, guys, the heads are all prepped. Steve's going to start slapping it together tomorrow. I'm tired. He's tired. We're going to call it a day. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.